We got 90 seconds, Larry.
Yeah. I want to touch base on something here. And we really did not know how big of a problem this was until here just the last few weeks. If you've got a newer, later model Chevy pickup truck, let's say somewhere around a 16 and up, especially, and they've got the limited slip locker type of rear end in them, it is imperative that you get that fluid out of those differentials and get you some Amsoil fluid in there yesterday. They are dying left and right, and nobody's got parts for them. They're all on national back order, and guess what? They're so bad and they're so defective, Jasper won't even rebuild them. Same thing with the GM 8-speed transmissions. If you don't have Amsoil in them, you better put it in them. I'm just telling you point blank. The new GM 8-speed transmissions, Jasper says we're not even going to rebuild them. We can't warranty them. They're just engineered that horribly. And the parts that they're made out of. And that's pretty bad when you get a big manufacturer like Jasper that says, listen, the stuff's so bad, we can't rebuild it to resell it because we can't warranty it? Are you kidding me? But on the rear ends, they've got aluminum literally rubbing against daggone cast metal, and what's going to happen is you got basically a sacrificial rear end. So if you don't have a great lubricant in there, you're just going to be waiting, and boy, is it going to be expensive. But on the later model GM trucks, make sure, and even the Camaros, any of the rear wheel drives, they're using that 12-bolt limited slip locker rear end. You got to replace the fluid. The Colorados, the Canyons, the GMC Denali's, all these vehicles, you got to get that factory gear lube out of those differentials. Get Amsoil in them, for goodness sake. Same thing with the 8-speed automatic transmissions. If you don't, it's going to cost you a fortune, and you may not even be able to get the parts to fix it with. So take that to the bank.